Hey everyone, it's Dell with Dell's Lawn Care. Diz. Come over to help do some tune-up. So today we're just gonna do a stick edger. We're gonna put a new edger blade on it, an air filter, an OEM fuel filter, spark plug. Make sure you spark your spark plug the right way. Just making this video to show you how to do this. We already took the spark plug out. We checked our gap, so you didn't have to watch us do that. You pull the boot off here. This is a Stihl FC110. Pull the boot off and put it in this hole. I'm going to use a spark plug socket. Tighten it up, make sure you put your boot on, it's nice and tight. Your air filter. On Stihl, there's no pre-filter, it's built in as one. Got like an air filter and a pre-filter here. These are a little snug, just push it in. Put your cover on. Doo-doo-doo. Gonna take our gas cap off. Gonna take our J-hook here. Gonna search for the fuel line. And I swear they make them shorter every year. Push that back in. Spark plug, air filter, fuel filter. Line the hole up. Taking our edger blade here, just a bolt, edger blade. Size difference.
Do you have a certain weight when you change them? Or?
Yes, I like to use the Oregon. Their 141 is the last number, but I use the 141. It's a little bit better of a blade. I also use, I think it's 139 is their other part number for an edger blade, 1-inch hole. Get them for like 87 cents at your local dealer if you buy 50 or more. The price isn't solid, some are cheaper. You said you get your edger blades cheaper.
Yep.
So he gets his cheaper than I do mine.
Don't go to Home Depot and get the $8 blades. I've learned the hard way because those go out quicker. So.
Yes, and $8, they're thinner, and you pay $8 when you can spend 87 cents. You're spending around 60 cents at your dealer. Yep. So that's a tune-up kit for the Stihl FC110. Thanks for watching, and as always,
have a marvelous day.